Okay, you go to the Plutus PBL, and in the Plutus PBL, you go to modules, and in the modules, you look for the module 202. Get started with the front end. Okay, you have to make all the work through all the sub models in the module 202. You have to make all the installations and all the configurations indicate by all those submodels. Once you take all the configurations, you can go here to this section, Run Plutus PL frontend, and and in this repository, in the repository is the code that you request me about the donation tab. Okay, here, there, you can find that code. Okay, well, how you can look the code? Okay, first you have to clone the repository in your machine, and once you have cloned that repository in your machine, this is the folder that that contains the repository. Okay, you have to enter to the folder, and once you are inside the folder, you execute this command. After that, that's all. That's all that you have to do. You go to this localhost 3000, and that's it. You have the front end. Okay. First, you go. Okay, this kind of these commands and all this procedure, all is contained in the module 202, right? So once you work through all these modules, once you arrive to this section, you already you will have all the installations and configurations necessary to execute this template in this way. Okay, don't worry about it. Just take all the mode in the Bluetooth PVR. Okay, you are here, and first you connect the wallet, one of the wallets, or of the wallet that is detected by the template. Uh, the template detects all the wallets that you have in your browser. Okay, in my case, the template detects that I have two wallets. One is Nami and the other is Eternal. Okay, I will connect the Nami. Okay, that's it. After that, you go to this section, module 301, 302, basic transactions. Okay, you go to basic transactions, and in basic transactions, you can see uh, all the basic pieces that correspond to a donation DApp. Okay, those components are very simple. The DApp is composed by two components basically: a donate button component and a donate form component. Okay, this is all the DApp. Now, How can you see the code? That's your main request. You want to study that code. Okay. How can you see it? Can you go to your, in my case, I use as a tool to to look the code and study the code. I use Visual Studio. Okay, but you can, because it's really easy to look and check all the code, and it's really easy. It's a good tool, but you can use the tool of your preference. Okay, we recommend Visual Studio Code. Once you are in the Visual Studio Code, you have to look, you have to search uh, this this folder. Okay, the same folder that you used to run the template, to run the front end. Okay, you have to look, this is this folder, ppl front end template. You go here and you look ppl front end template. Okay, this is the dApp. This is the dApp. Okay, so in components you can note that this URL finish with transactions. Okay, with transactions. So in this folder components, you have to go to transactions, and in transactions, you will find those two components, and the code corresponded to the code correspond to that each functionality, okay, each component. This is the code to the donate button. This is the component, and this is the code correspond to the donate form component. Okay, to the donate form component. Okay, and that's all. In that way, you can start to check all the code, all the functions of the code. Okay, and that's it. That's all.